Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because the vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. And restless dreams I walked alone in narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, where my eyes would stare by the flash of a neon light that spread the night and touched the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs their voices never shared, 'cause no one dares disturb the sound of silence. Fools say that you do not know silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. Among the silence only his warning, and the words that it was for me, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whisper the sound of silence.